Welcome back to my channel. This is Rebecca again. Remember to like and subscribe. So today I've got some news for you if you're health professionals who would like to come and work in the UK. So the UK government has actually launched health and care visa, which is called Tier 2 visa. So this visa is a fast track visa route for health professionals, and it is just to make it easy and cheaper for you to apply to come and work in the UK. It comes with a reduced visa fee, and you would be exempted from the immigration health surcharge fee, which is usually about £400 per year. And also, if you come in with a family member, you would have to pay the same amount per year for yourself and them to be able to use the National Health Service, which is the NHS, if you are unwell. No, so what is the eligibility criteria? You must be a qualified doctor, nurse, midwife, psychologist, social worker, medical radiographer, and pharmacist as well. Now, what do you need? You must have a job offer from a licensed UK sponsor. So that could be from the NHS, which is the National Health Service, which is like the hospitals, or adult social care, which could be the care homes as well. So care homes are where they look after the elderly. Now, how long does the process take? So if you must apply 3 months before you're due to start work in the UK, and you should get a decision on your visa application within 3 weeks of submission of your biometric information. So as I said previously, if you're a doctor or nurse, you have to also check from your regulatory body, for example, for nurses, the UK NMC, to find out what their registration criteria is. So you must have done your English language, you must have completed your CBT, which is the computer-based test. You must have started your registration with the UK NMC, and have got a letter to come and do your OSCE before you start this application. If you're a doctor, you have to check on your doctor's or pharmacist, UK pharmacist or doctor's registration requirements before you start this application process. Now, how much does it cost? So if you're applying for a visa for up to 3 years, you would be paying about £233. And if you're applying for a visa for more than 3 years, it would cost you about £464. And it would be the same for your dependents as well. Other requirements for this visa is you need to have a certificate of sponsorship reference number to show you are being sponsored by an organization or an employer here. You should have proof of your knowledge of English language, which is very important, of course. And also you should have a bank statement to show you've got enough money, at least £1,000, 3 months before you start the application, to show you can support yourself, and also evidence that your employers in the UK would be giving you a specific or an appropriate amount of annual salary or monthly salary in order to support yourself. You should have a TB test certificate, so you should have a test for TB to show that you haven't got tuberculosis. You should have a police clearance certificate as well, or we call it CRB here. Now, if you bring in a family, you should be able to prove that you have at least £630 to support each of them. I'm going to be adding the link to this information to my YouTube channel. So after listening, you can click on the link and for further information. These opportunities come once a while. So if you really want to move and come and work in the UK, this is the time to give it a go. It's not easy. I'm going to be talking a lot about life and working here in my subsequent videos. So keep following, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next video.